Hello, 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 hello. చూడాలి. Hello, hello, hello.
Good morning, all. So this question, yesterday we started. Koncham, koncham, koncham pencham, light. Okay. Yeah. See, we have discussed this question. I given as work for you. Anybody got the answer? A value, B value. What is the condition to find the A value and B value? Area under PDF is equals to 1. Yes or no? Area under the PDF is 1. That means what? Integral of minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equals to 1. Yeah, what are the useful limits here? 0 to 1, a plus bx, dx is equals to 1, ax plus bx square by 2, limits are 0 to 1, that is equals to 1, a plus b by 2 is equals to 1. So here, what are the different options are given? Just observe. Option A, 0.5, 0.5. A and B respectively 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 1 comma 0.5, 1 comma 1. These are the different options. It's clear, no? Which option is correct? Yes, which option is correct? A and B are respectively these values. Which option is correct? 0.5, 1, 0.5 comma 1. A and B. A is 0.5, B is the 1. Is it clear? What is the property we are applying? Area under the PDF is equals to 1. You are understanding? Right. Yeah, coming to our next question. Note down. Voice on the Okay, okay. Yeah. So yesterday I asked you to solve some questions also. This is completed all of you. A is 0.5, B is the 1 is the value. Yeah. Let us move to our next question. It's a simple question only. Completed? Yes. Yeah, this question 32, na? Uh, right, this question observe here. How many of you finished this question? Completed? What is the answer? 28. K value is how much? K value. First of all, we have to calculate 30, na? 3, na? 3 by 14. Okay? Yeah, observe here. Hello. First of all, he is asking how to find the k value. What is the function is given? PDF is given. What is the property we have to use? Area under the PDF is equals to 1. Area under PDF is 1. Area under the PDF is equals to 1. Using this property, you will get the k value first of all. Right. 0 to 2. What are the useful limits? 0 to 2. Actual limits we have to take from minus infinity to infinity. What are the useful limits? 0 to 2. 0 to 2 f of x dx. What is f of x? K into 5x minus 2x square dx is equals to 1. K into 5x square by 2 minus 2 into x cube by 3. Limits are from 0 to 2 is equals to 1. Yes, all of you understanding integration. Now, k into substitute upper limit and lower limit here. For upper limit to 2 cancel 10 minus, this is what 16 by 3. 10 minus 16 by 3. For lower limit both are the zeros. For lower limit both are the zeros. That is equal to 1. So from this, what is the k value we are going to get? This is what 30 minus 16, 14 by 3. K is equals to 3 by 14. K is equals to 3 by 14. That is a 1. This is a 2 marks bit. 1 mark is for calculating k value. What is another value? P of x greater than 1. P of x greater than 1. P of x greater than 1. P of x less than 1. P of x greater than or equal to 1. P of x less than or equal to 1. They are all comes under CDFs. They are all CDF. What is a CDF? CDF is the integral of the PDF. CDF is the integral of the PDF. What are the integral limits here? 1 to 2. Integral limits are 1 to 2. Observe here 0 to 1, 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Yeah. 1 to 2 limits. 1 to 2 limits. K into k value you know very well. 3 by 14. 3 by 14 into 5x minus 2x square dx. 3 by 14. 5x square by 2 minus 2x cube by 3. Substitute 1 to 2, upper limit and lower limit and simplify. How much is the answer you will get? 17 by 28. This you try 17 by 28 you will get the answer. It's a 2 marks bit. All of you know in the gate pattern MCQ, MSQ. MSQ wrong also no negative. NAT numerical answer type. NAT wrong also no negative. But MCQ negative means 1 mark negative 1/3, 2 marks negative 2/3. All of you know that pattern. Yeah. Yeah, this question is cleared. 2 marks bit for calculating k is 1 and p of x greater than 1. No confusion, all of you understood? Yes. Let us move to next slide. This integration should be very fast in the exam hall. Is it clear? Don't do mistakes. We are coming again same question, huh? 33. Right. Anybody finished this question? How many of you have done this question? Some of you have done. Okay. What is the answer? Which option you got? Yeah. See here, all of you observe here. What is the logic we are to apply? Last question, no confusion, na? Integration only. Integration, substitutions of the limits, you are familiar, na? You have to treat maths is very well-known subject as all of you. Yesterday I told you, maths South Indians are very strong. In South Indians again, Telugu people are very strong. We have to agree. Other state people also know very well. Maths Telugu people are very strong. Except that Srinivasa Ramanujan from Tamil Nadu. Yesterday we remembered him. Huh? Yeah, coming to next. What is the property we have to use? Area under the PDF is equals to 1. Area under the PDF is equals to 1. Yeah, coming to next, integral of minus infinity to infinity, f of x dx is equals to 1. Yeah, integral of minus infinity to infinity, what is f of x is given? M into e power minus 2 mod x, n into e power minus 3 mod x dx is equals to 1. Okay. Now, as all of you know, what is mod x? All of you know mod x. Mod x is even function or odd function? Mod x. Mod x is even or odd? Mod x is plus x for x greater than 0, minus x for x less than 0, and 0 for x is equals to 0. Mod x graph. This is your mod x graph. What is the mod x graph? V-shaped graph. Mod x is the V-shape. All of you know mod x is a V-shape. Is it even or odd? Even. It is even function. All of you know. Even function is always symmetrical to which axis is y-axis. And what is the condition for the even function? F of minus x is equals to f of x. What is the even function condition? All of you know f of minus x is equals to f of x. Odd function is what? F of minus x is minus f of x. Even function. Is it clear to all of you? Sin x is even or odd? Sin x is odd. Cos x is a even. All of you aware of how to check the even and odd? Okay. So if I'll ask you mod x by x, is it even or odd? Mod x by x. Mod x is even. What is the mod x by x is? Odd. Mod x by x is odd. This is even by odd. Overall it is odd. Is it clear to all of you? Odd. So this mod x by x is there some speciality for this one. Plus 1 for x greater than 0. Minus 1 for x less than 0. And 0 for x is equals to 0. Mod x by x. What is the name of this function is called? What is the name of this function is called? Signum function. Signum. Odd or even? Odd. It is a signum function. All of you know signum, not the singam. Spelling mistake becomes signum becomes singam also. Yeah, coming to next. Signum. Yeah, since it is a even function, we are applying property of the integral. Integral minus a to a f of x dx. Tell me. Minus a to a f of x dx. What is the result of this one? If it is f of x is even, then if it is f of x is even, how this formula changes to integral 0 to a f of x dx. This formula is well known to all of you. Minus a to f of x is 2 integral of 0 to f of x dx. If f of x is a even function and the same result is 0 if f of x is a odd function. Everybody knows this formula. Minus a to f of x dx, 2 integral of 0 to f of x dx. If f of x is even and same result is 0, if f of x is a odd. Integration should get perfection in integration. That is differentiation is easy to get perfection, but integration it takes a lot of work. Yeah. Then how to write this one? 2 integral of 0 to infinity, since it is a even function. M into e power minus 2x n into e power minus 3x dx is equals to 1. You are all understanding? Some of you are thinking, where is the mod? Mod x is gone. Where is the mod x? Mod x within the limit 0 to infinity. What is the mod x is? Plus x only. Yes or no? Within the 0 to infinity limits, what is the mod x is? Plus x only. All understanding? Yeah, what is the integration of this one here? 2 into m into e power minus 2x by minus 2 plus n into minus 3. Limits are from 0 to infinity 1. Substitute upper limit and lower limit. What happens for upper limit? Listen here. E power minus infinity is 0. E power minus infinity is 0. For upper limit, only you will get the result for the lower limit. What is the result you will get here? M by 2. This is n by 3. Plus m by 2 plus n by 3. Yes or no? Upper limit minus lower limit. Plus m by 2 plus n by 3. Multiplying with the 2, what is the result you will get? 2 into m by 2 plus n by 3 is equals to 1. Simplify this. Which option is correct? M plus. That is the answer. Is it clear to all of you? First of all, mod x is involved. Mod x means what? It is a even function. Then we are converting the integral of minus a to f of x dx as 2 integral of 0 to a f of x dx. Everybody understood now? Yes. So we have to do like this only. From here to here, this step. No need to split minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity. It takes time again. Huh? So even function, odd function. You have done in calculus also. So many gate questions on this formula in your calculus. Based on this formula, so many gate questions in calculus also. Linear algebra, calculus. Yesterday also I had evening one online session 8:30 to 10:30 online, right? Eigenvalues and eigenvectors. All of you know eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Which topic? Linear algebra. So many properties are there. You are understanding now? 8:30 to 10:30. Students are online. What is my intention to say? They are going college and coming again online. It's not possible of offline. Yeah. Yeah. Some of the working people also they are writing gate. Yesterday also explained. After attending their office, they are attending joining into the online sessions. Okay. Coming to next. This answer completed all of you. What's the answer? 2. What is the property we have to apply here? Area under PDF is 1. Area under PDF is equals to 1. Area under the PDF is 1. Then integral of what are the limits we have to use? 0 to infinity. E power minus x by 2 by k dx is equals to 1. 1 by k bring outside. E power minus x by 2 by minus 1 by 2 limits are from 0 to infinity is 1. What is simplification? Minus 2 by k e power minus infinity minus e power of 0 is the 1. From this, what is the k value you will get? 2 is the answer. K is equals to 2 is the answer. You are understanding? Last bit answer is what? M plus 2n by 3. So these are all the different questions on what is the topic PMF, CDF, PDF. ఎంత ఉందా ఓకే రైట్ yes see so what is our next topic yesterday up to where we discussed concepts we are coming again to concepts Hello. What are the concepts are completed yesterday? Tell me. Types of events. Types of events completed. Bayes theorem completed. Random variable. Bayes theorem, another name is the forecasting. Okay. Then total probability, inverse probability. We have done all. Okay. Next to continuation, concepts. Little bit patience is required for you. Now I am going to listen. So here I am going to explain concepts about all the distributions. It takes around 1 hour session for all concepts. Once concepts about all 5 distributions concepts I am giving at a time. Then once after 5 distributions concepts completed, we will solve the related numericals. Is it clear to all of you? You are not responding. Yeah. Very good. How many distributions we have? 5. 5 distributions. Probability distributions. Probability distributions. Probability distributions. What are the probability distributions we are having? Uniform. What is another name of uniform is called rectangular. Uniform, another name is a rectangular distribution. Second is exponential. Exponential. Third, normal. What is another name of the normal is called? Gaussian. Normal or Gaussian. De Moivre. De Moivre distribution. Okay. So many gate questions are normal distribution also. Coming to the next, binomial. Poisson. Poisson distribution. Poisson spelling. Double S. Single S, what it becomes, you know. Spelling mistakes, comma, full stop also very important. Let us start first uniform distribution. Uniform distribution. Uniform distribution. Now tell me, in these three cases, what is the nature of the random variable is continuous. Continuous are represented by what? PDF. These two cases, what is the nature of the random variable? Discrete. Discrete. Discrete are represented by what? PMF. Probability mass function. PDF. Continuous are PDF, discrete are PMF. For uniform distribution, which function we have to use? PDF. Right. Uniform distribution of a continuous random variable. Uniform distribution of a continuous random variable x. Uniform distribution of a continuous random variable x is given by uniform distribution of a continuous random variable x is given by f of x is equals to 1 by b minus a. F of x is 1 by b minus a. 1 by b minus a for a less than x less than b. Hello. F of x, PDF, we are using PDF notation, is equals to what? 1 by b minus a for a less than x less than b. Sometimes they will write equal symbol also, no problem. continuous distribution, sometimes they will write less than equal symbol also. Don't worry. Discrete problem create. Equal symbol means what? Discrete is different case, continuous is different. Less than or equal also no problem. And equal to 0 elsewhere and is equals to 0 elsewhere and is equals to 0 elsewhere. How this uniform distribution appears? What is the nature of the random variable in the uniform distribution? Continuous. Continuous. Yeah, this is our graph. 1 by b minus a. What is the amplitude of this graph? 1 by b minus a. F of x, PDF. 1 by b minus a. In the limits from where to where? A to b. In the limits A to b, amplitude is 1 by b minus a. And 0 otherwise. Now my question is whether it is correct or not. How to confirm? What is the logic to check whether this PDF is correct or not? Area under the PDF is equals to what? 1. What is the logic to check the PDF correct or not? Area under the PDF is 1. You check whether it is satisfying or not. Area under the PDF. All of you understood what is the name of this distribution is uniform. Another name is what? Rectangular. Is clear now how it is, why this is rectangle? Graph shape is rectangle. Area under PDF. Area under the PDF. What is that? Integral of A to B. Integral of A to B. 1 by f of x is what? 1 by b minus a dx. If it is 1, if this area is 1, then it is called perfect PDF. Valid PDF. Valid. 1 by b minus a bring outside. 1 by b minus a bring outside. What is the integral of 1 dx is x. Limits are from a to b. B minus a divided by b minus a is the 1. Area under the PDF is 1. Therefore, we can say is what? It is a valid PDF. You are all understanding? Any PDF, whether it is valid or not, how to check? Area under the PDF is equals to 1. So, that is our first point. Any confusion? Yes. Next, we have some standard formula here. What is the mean of this uniform distribution? Mean. Board is appearing, appearing to all this side. Okay, thank you. Uniform distribution. What is another name of uniform distribution? Rectangular. Is clear to all of you? What is the mean of the uniform distribution? Is a plus b by 2. Standard formula. Mean square value a square plus b square plus ab by 3. Mean is a plus b by 2. Mean squared value is a square plus b square plus ab by 3. Hope some of you have done this derivations also in your BTech. Then variance. Generally, variance is equals to mean square value minus mean whole square. Variance is mean squared value minus mean whole square. Here my question is, substitute them and simplify. What is the answer you are going to get? Tell me. Substitute them and simplify. I will give 2 minutes time for you. My question is clear, na? Variance is equals to what? Mean squared value minus mean whole squared. You know mean squared value and mean. Substitute and simplify. What is the variance you are going to get? Anybody answer? Mean squared value minus mean whole squared. We'll see how many of you respond. Some of you are saying AB by 4 something. Any other answers? You tell me your answers, wrong or right, no problem. See, variance is equals to mean squared value. What is the mean squared value? A squared plus B squared plus AB. Mean whole squared. What is the mean whole squared? A plus B by 2 whole squared. A squared plus B squared plus 2AB by 4. Okay, na? What is LCM? 12 LCM. LCM is 12. 12 is LCM. Then 4 multiplies here, 3 multiplies here. Yes or no? 4a square minus 3a square is a square. 4b square minus 3b square plus b square. 4ab minus 6ab minus 2ab. Understood? Simplification. What is the result of this one? A minus b whole square by 12. But don't write a minus b whole squared by b minus a whole squared by b minus a whole squared by 12 is the answer. B minus a whole squared by 12 is the answer. All of you are understanding? B minus a whole squared by 12. Maybe some of you are getting that out. Why B minus a, sir? Why not A minus B whole squared? Which one is greater out of A minus B, B minus A? Which is greater? B is greater than A. Yes or no? B is greater than A. That's why we are giving respect to the B, B minus A whole squared by 12. That is the variance. Everyone understood? No confusion. Standard deviation. What is the standard deviation? Square root of variance. Standard deviation is square root of variance, which is equals to what? B minus A divided by root 12. B minus A divided by root 12. We have to remember mean squared, variance, standard deviation. These four formula of uniform distribution. And what are the number of parameters? That's also very important. Number of parameters. How many parameters we are having here? A and B parameters. A and B. A and B are the two parameters. Number of parameters are the two. Number of parameters are the two. What are the parameters here? A and B. So they are asking the number of parameters of the distribution also. This is about introduction about the uniform distribution. Is clear to all of you? Uniform distribution. No confusion, all of it. This is the introduction about uniform, right? What is the f of x formula? Mean squared variance, standard deviation, number of parameters. Now let us go to our next slide. Copied now, completed. What is our next distribution? Exponential distribution. What I told you after completion of introduction about all, normal distribution takes more time for the discussion. After distribution's completion concepts, then we will go to the numericals. What is the next distribution? Exponential distribution. Exponential. Exponential distribution. Exponential distribution. What is the nature of the random variable in exponential distribution also? Continuous. Continuous are represented by what? PDF. Okay. Now, exponential distribution of A. Exponential distribution of continuous random variable. Exponential distribution of continuous random variable x. Exponential distribution of a continuous random variable x is given by f of x is equals to 1 by b e power minus of x minus a by b for x greater than a. 1 by b e power minus of x minus a by b for x greater than a. As all of you know, it is a exponentially decaying graph. This is a exponentially decaying graph. It is exponential decreases graph. All of you know why this is exponentially decreasing graph. E power minus x is involved. It is exponentially decaying graph. But this decay starts from where? At x is equals to a. At x is equals to a, it is a exponentially decaying graph like this. It is exponentially decaying graph. Yesterday also we discussed in the mixed random variable. Mixed random variable means what? Which satisfies the natures of discrete and continuous. Discrete is what? Binomial, Poisson. Continuous is what? Exponential. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. This exponential decaying starts at x is equals to a. At x is equals to, what is the result of this one? E power 0. At x is equals to e power of 0 is how much is the amplitude here? 1 by b. At x is equals to a, what is its amplitude is? 1 by b. Here also remember mean squared variance. Mean is equals to a plus b. Mean is a plus b. Mean squared value is a square plus 2b square plus 2ab. Mean is a plus b. Mean squared value is a square plus 2b square plus 2ab. Now you can guess the variance. Tell me what is the variance? Variance. Now you can guess the variance easily, all of you. Once you know the mean squared value, then what is the variance? You can guess the variance now. What is the answer? No, substitute and tell me. Variance is equals to what? Mean squared value minus mean whole squared. What is the answer? B square. You will get the b square here. Variance is b square. Then standard deviation, definitely it is b. Standard deviation is the b. See, this is the exponential distribution is famous. Worldwide we are using this. But in our gate point of view, they are restricting A0 in the gate point of view. In the gate point of view, what is our f of x? Exponential distribution f of x. A they are keeping 0. What is the answer we are going to get? 1 by b e power minus x by b for x greater than 0. And they will write here 0 elsewhere. 0 elsewhere. And 0 elsewhere. How this graph appears here? Exponentially decaying. So, exponentially decaying from where here? A. Now, where is the exponential decay starts? 0. From this point only exponentially decay starts. All of you understanding? Yes. What is its amplitude here? 1 by b. 1 by b. What is the difference between first one and this one? In the first one we are substituting a is equals to 0. All of you understanding? Now tell me what is the mean of this? Hello, what is the mean? You are not responding. This formula you know very well. From year to year, what is the change is happening? From year to year, what is the change happen? Tell me. A equal to 0. If you put A equal to 0, what is the mean? B. Mean squared value 2b squared. Variance b square. Standard deviation B. That is a mean squared value, variance, standard deviation. Is it clear to all of you? Same formula, same set of the formula only. We are substituting A0, nothing else. Okay. This we are using in the gate. This is important in the gate. Whenever they are asking any question from exponential means this formula. Not that, just that is a reference, but it is here how many number of parameters are there? Tell me. Number of parameters 1. Number of parameters is equals to 1. What is the parameter here? B. B is the parameter. Number of parameters 1. B is the parameter. In uniform distribution, how many parameters? 2 parameters, A and B. Okay. He will write the same thing in one more format also. Same formula in different way. Lambda e power minus lambda x for x greater than or equal to 0. Don't worry. Hello. And 0 elsewhere. What is the change from here to here? Observe. What is the change from second to third? This is exponential decaying. What is the change here? 1 by b is replaced by what? Lambda. 1 by b is replaced with the lambda. This is f of x, PDF, and it is x. Now, can you guess what is the mean now? Mean. You can guess, think. కొంచెం ఆలోచించండి. I am asking bacha question. Tell me, what is the answer? What is the mean in this case? B. Now, what is the change from here to here? 1 by b replaced with the lambda means, what is the mean? 1 by lambda. It's not the lambda, 1 by lambda. What is the mean squared value? 2 by lambda square. Variance 1 by lambda square. Standard deviation 1 by lambda. Is it clear to all of you? Everyone understanding? In GATE exam, they are using this formula also. These two are famous in the GATE exam. These two. After completion of GATE exam, don't feel that sir did not tell about this lambda notation and all. These two notations they are using in the GATE exam. Everyone understanding? Very good. Then what are the number of parameters here also? What is the parameter here? Lambda. Number of parameters is 1. That parameter is called here. Lambda is the parameter. So this is the introduction about the exponential distribution. It is an exponentially decaying graph. It's clear to all of you? Exponential distribution. Okay, very good. All these concepts you keep in your mind while solving the questions. You should be able to answer all questions. What is the third? Out of all distributions, third one is a big one, big distribution. Normal. Completed? All of you copied, no? Yes. Normal distribution, what is another name? Gaussian de Moivre. Gaussian de Moivre. De Moivre is famous in your 11th, 12th class formula also. E power I theta. What is e power of I theta? cos theta plus I sin theta, e power minus I theta cos theta minus I sin theta. These are all explained by what the persons explained this to Euler and De Moivre. Euler, De Moivre, they are famous. Yeah, coming to next, normal, normal, Gaussian, De Moivre, De Moivre's distribution. Normal, Gaussian, De Moivre's distribution. What is the nature of the random variable in the normal distribution? Nature of the random variable, continuous or discrete? Continuous. It's cleared. Okay. Normal distribution of a continuous random variable. Normal distribution of continuous random variable x. Normal distribution of a continuous random variable x is given by f of x is equals to f of x is equals to 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2 into x minus m by sigma whole square. Remember perfectly. 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2 into x minus m by sigma whole square. For minus infinity less than x less than infinity. What are the limits here? Minus infinity to infinity. 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2 into x minus m by sigma whole squared for minus infinity less than x less than infinity. That is the normal distribution of the continuous random variable formula. Don't copy wrong. What is the formula? 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2 x minus m by sigma whole square. Is it clear to all of you? Right. What is the mean of this normal distribution? Mean is equals to m. Mean is m. Mean squared value m square plus sigma square. Mean is m. Mean squared value is m square plus sigma square. Can you guess what is the variance? Mean is m. Mean squared value is m squared plus sigma square. What is the variance? Sigma square. Mean is m. Mean squared value is m squared plus sigma squared. What is the variance? Variance is equals to sigma square. Standard deviation is what? Sigma. Standard deviation is sigma. That graph is symmetrical to y-axis. You must draw the graph symmetrical to y-axis. This is x, f of x. Now my question is here, what is the maximum value of this one? At x is equals to m. This is m. Yes. This is value is what? This value is m. Okay, na m. At x is equals to m, what is the maximum value? Tell me. If you put x is equals to m here, x is m. M minus m is what? 0. E power of 0? 1. E power of 0 is 1. 1 by sigma root 2 pi. What is the highest value here? 1 by sigma root 2 pi is the answer. 1 by sigma root 2 pi. Well understanding? Maximum value is 1 by sigma root 2 pi. It is very important, interesting. Actually, that dot lines is for our explanation purpose. Normal distribution graph does not contain that graphs. Listen, that dotted lines not required for our understanding purpose. I am drawing that dotted lines. Okay, right. Very good. What is this value here? This is m. This value is what? M plus sigma. Hello. This value is m plus sigma. What is this value here? M plus 2 sigma. M plus 3 sigma. This is what? M minus sigma. M minus 2 sigma. M minus 3 sigma. On x-axis, these are the values. Is it clear to all of you? And one more thing, remember, area between m minus sigma and m plus sigma, this area, how much this area is? 68 percentage area between m minus sigma and m plus sigma. 68 percentage. We have to remember this percentage is very, very important. Between m minus 2 sigma, m plus 2 sigma is 95 percentage. M minus 2 sigma, M plus 2 sigma, 95. M minus 3 sigma, M plus 3 sigma, 99.53. I will write that points also. Properties. Properties of the normal distribution. What are the different properties of the normal distribution? You are all following, no? Understanding. All of you are following? Yes. M minus sigma, M plus sigma, M minus 2 sigma, M plus 2 sigma. Properties of normal distribution. First one, area under, hello, area under normal distribution. Area under normal distribution is equals to 1. Area under the normal distribution. This is well known to all of you. Area under any distribution is also 1. Area under normal distribution is 1. Second property, maximum value. What is the maximum value? Tell me. 1 by sigma root 2 pi. Maximum value is 1 by sigma root 2 pi at x is equals to m. Maximum value is 1 by sigma root 2 pi at x is equals to m. Third, minimum value is 0 at x is equals to plus infinity and minus infinity. Hello. As you are going to plus infinity and minus infinity, as you are going x is plus infinity and minus infinity, what happens here? This graph touches the x-axis at infinity. These two sides, the graph touches the x-axis at infinity. Where is the minimum value is 0? Minimum value is 0 at x is equals to plus infinity and minus infinity. That is also very important. Fourth property, it is symmetrical to y-axis. It is symmetrical. It is symmetrical to y-axis. Y-axis. It is symmetrical to y-axis. It is symmetrical to y-axis. All of you understood? The graph is appearing symmetrical to y-axis or not? Yes. Next, what is the shape of the graph? What is the shape of the graph? It is a bell-shaped curve. Bell shape. Yes or no? How this is appearing like a bell-shaped curve? That is also previous gate question. Bell-shaped, important. What is the shape of the normal distribution? Bell shape. Sixth property, mean is equals to mode is equals to median. Remember this is also. Which distribution has mean, mode, median all are equal? Normal distribution. Which distribution has? Okay. Which pen we are using? Right, okay, right. Which distribution has, that is also they will ask the question. What is the shape of the graph? Bell shape. Now, which distribution has mean, mode, median all are equal is the normal distribution. Very important. And seventh, it is an approximate model. It is an approximate model. It is an approximate model to all other distributions. It is an approximate model to all other distributions. It is an approximate model to all other distributions. Next, eighth property, x-axis, hello, x-axis acts as asymptote. X-axis acts as asymptote. X-axis is acting. You see here, this x-axis touches the graph. Where this x-axis is touching the graph? At infinity and at minus infinity. What is the asymptote definition? All of you know, asymptote means what? Tangent to the curve at infinity. Asymptote means tangent to the curve at infinity. At infinity point it touches. Asymptote. Which axis is asymptote to the graph? X-axis is the asymptote. Everybody understanding? No confusion? Yes. X-axis acts as asymptote. And one more thing here is what? Number of parameters are how many? Number of parameters. That is the previous gate question. Number of parameters. In the normal distribution, number of parameters are how many? 2 parameters. What are the 2 parameters? M and sigma. M and sigma. Number of parameters M and sigma. Next, 10th one is area between m minus sigma and m plus sigma. Area between m minus sigma and m plus sigma is 68. Remember, this is very important. 68 percentage. Area between m minus 2 sigma and m plus 2 sigma. Area between m minus 2 sigma m plus 2 sigma is 95 percentage. 95 percentage. Area between m minus 3 sigma and m plus 3 sigma is 99.53 percentage. 99.53 0.53 percentage. So that is they are all in terms of percentages. All these percentages are very important. We have so many gate questions on these percentages 68, 95, 99.53. Overall area is 100 percentage. Overall area is 100 percentage. Then what is the area from m minus 3 sigma to m plus 3 sigma? This area itself is 99.53. And if they want in terms of probability, outright in terms of probability of this graph, probability lies between m minus sigma, m plus sigma is 0.68. In terms of probabilities, how to convert them? This is 0.68, 0.95, 0.995 percentages to probabilities. It's clear to all of you? Yesterday also we have done Bayes theorem questions. So this is the introduction about the normal distribution. So many properties are there, remember. All properties are very important. Symmetrical to which axis? Y-axis, bell-shaped curve. What is its maximum value, minimum value? It is an approximate model to all other distributions. Mean, mode, median, all are equal. Like all of you know, who is the role model for upcoming dancers? All of you know. Who is that fellow? You are not responding. Huh? Dancers, I am saying, upcoming dancers. Who is that? You are saying Prabhudeva. Yes or no? Prabhudeva, na? No. No problem. In the same way, which is role model for the distributions is normal distribution is role model to all other distributions. That's what I am saying. Take my word positive. More than Prabhudeva, there is a very good dancer in our India. Who is that fellow? Huh? Not worldwide, India. Don't say Junior NTR or Allu Arjun and there. I am not asking Telugu. Overall India. I am just for general knowledge purpose I am telling. General knowledge or we can say some current affairs. As for right now statistics, who is that fellow? Hrithik Roshan. Why sir is discussing in cinemas in the class? Okay. They are all role model for the dance master. Same way, this fellow is role model for all distributions. Who is role model for all distributions? Normal distribution. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. Yeah. Coming to next continuation of the normal distribution, we have completed all concepts copied. Next, not completed. We have one more slide for the normal distribution. Standardized normal random variable. Standardized normal random variable. That is also very important. Standardized normal random variable. What is its definition? Standardized normal random variable. Write down its definition. Standardized normal random variable. A random variable, standardized normal random variable, a random variable whose mean is 0, variance is 1. Random variable whose mean is 0, variance is 1. Random variable whose mean is 0, variance is 1. Variance is 1 means standard deviation also 1. Yes or no? Variance 1 means standard deviation also 1. Variance 1 means standard deviation also 1. No confusion? Yes. It is represented as Z. Z is equals to what is the formula? X minus m by sigma. Z equal to x minus m by sigma. If you check the normal distributions tables. Hope in your exam paper, while writing your university exam, they supplied normal distribution tables. Yes or no? In probability and statistics subject, during any tables are supplied to you, normal distributions tables like that. You are not responding. Okay, no problem. Normal distribution tables are in terms of which variable? Just check in your Google. Check the Google. Normal distribution tables are in terms of which variable x or z. Just observe the tables. Just Google. They are prepared with respect to x or z tables. Normal distribution tables. Yes, you're not responding. Got that? Z or x? Z only. This is in terms of x. What is the normal distribution in terms of the z? Concentrate here. What is the normal distribution in terms of the z? Normal distribution in terms of the z. What happens here? What is the sigma of the z here? Standard deviation of the z is what? 1. Then it's going to become 1 by root 2 pi. This is 1 by root 2 pi e power minus. What is x minus m by sigma? What is x minus m by sigma? Z. E power minus z square by 2. Z square by 2. This is the standardized normal distribution. Both are same only. This is in terms of x, it is in terms of the z. What is the name of this distribution? We are calling standardized normal distribution. Standardized normal distribution. Standardized normal distribution. Standardized normal distribution. All of you know normal distribution graph. So this is the normal distribution graph symmetrical to y-axis. What is this value here? It is m. This value is what? M plus sigma, m minus sigma, m plus 2 sigma, m minus 2 sigma. Then this graph will go like this, m plus 3 sigma. This side this graph will go, this is what? M minus 3 sigma. What is the highest value of the normal distribution? 1 by sigma root 2 pi. Yeah, maybe some of you are getting the doubt. Already you have drawn this graph. Why are you writing again? We are comparing this with our f of z. This graph f of z comparison. These two comparison. Both the shape is same only. Both the shape is same only, no doubt. Both are same shape. Same shape. But which values changes here? What is the highest value? Tell me here. Instead of x-axis, what is this axis? Is z. Z-axis. Is it clear? And it is f of z. This is f of z. It's clear? F of z. F of x, f of z. X-axis, z-axis. What is the mean of the z? Mean. What is the mean of this? Is 0. 0. In place of m, we are writing 0. What is the standard deviation of this distribution? Standard deviation is what? Variance is 1 means standard deviation is also 1. Of everyone concentrating? Yes. What is this value? Tell me. Yes. You observe here m plus sigma. This is m plus 2 sigma. M plus 3 sigma. These values. Right. What is this value? Can you guess? Hello. These values. This value is what? M plus sigma. Then here it is what? F of z. Description I given about f of z. What is f of z? Mean is what? 0. Variance is 1. Standard deviation also 1. Then m plus sigma becomes what? This is 1. 1. M is 0, sigma is 1. What is M plus sigma? 1. This is 2, 3. You are all understanding? This is what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. The remaining all properties are same only. What is area between minus 1 and 1? How much this area? 68. This area is 68. They are asking questions like that also. What is the area from minus 2 to plus 2? 95. Minus 3 to plus 3? Same. They asked recently that question, area between minus 3 to plus 3. Area between minus 3 to plus 3 is also previous gate bit 99.53 percentage. Is it clear to all of you? Overall area is what? Overall area is 100 percentage. Listen. Overall area is 100 percentage. This complete right side is how much? Overall area is 100 percentage. Complete right side is how much? 50. Yes or no? 50. Left side also? 50. Because of symmetry nature. What is the nature of the random normal distribution? It's symmetrical to y-axis. Because of symmetry nature, right side is 50, left side also 50, overall is 100 percentage. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. No confusion? Yeah. So that is about introduction about the normal distribution and standardized normal distribution. Your all tables are prepared with in terms of the Z standardized normal. How many number of parameters in this one? In this one number of parameters are what? 2. M and sigma. But there is no parameters here. No parameter. In f of z, no parameter by. In f of x, two parameters. But in f of z, you are all understanding? Understand the question. If they'll ask the question like, what are the number of parameters in the normal distribution means, general if they're asking 2, m and sigma. If they're asking number of parameters in the standardized normal random distribution means 0, no. If they're using the word standardized normal distribution, it's clear. Normal distribution, standardized normal distribution. Remaining all properties same only. Area under this distribution is also 1. Symmetrical to y-axis and bell-shaped curve. Here z-axis is assumed to like that. Every property is same. It is also approximate model to all other distributions. Which distribution mean, mode, median all are equal means normal distribution. Which distribution mean and standard deviations are equal? Mean and standard deviation. Mean, standard deviation. Which distribution? Tell me. You have copied, no? Huh? Three distributions. Which distribution mean, standard deviations are equal? Exponential. Yes or no? For exponential distribution, mean and standard deviations are equal. Very good. We have some questions on the normal distribution in our PDF also. Apart from this, so I used to discuss some more questions in the class, gate classes. That questions I will cover. Extra questions I will write on the board. Apart from the PDF. Concentrate all of you. Normal distribution, some questions I am discussing. Ready? All of you ready? Okay, very good. They are all previous gate questions only. Yeah. Where is your center gate? All are Kakinada only. So different places, I think. Okay, no problem. Which distribution? Hello. Which distribution has least variance? That is our question. Which distribution has least variance? Least variance. This is one graph. This is a previous gate question only. The second graph. Yes, tell me these three distributions, which distribution has least variance? Which color? White, red, and this one green. Okay, which one has least variance? See, what is the maximum value of the normal distribution? Tell me. Maximum value of the normal distribution 1 by sigma root 2 pi. Yes or no? 1 by sigma root 2 pi. What that sigma root 2 pi is in the denominator or numerator? Denominator. Denominator. Means whichever the graph is having maximum amplitude here, whichever the graph is having maximum amplitude, that contains what? Least variance. See, listen here. What is the amplitude of the normal distribution by 1 by sigma root 2 pi? If sigma is less, what happens? Sigma less means what? This value is more. Sigma less means what? This value is more. You are not responding. Sigma is more means what? This value is less. Yes or no? Understood. Now tell me.